Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how to make your own homemade dry shampoo. So you can buy dry shampoo at the store, but it is often pretty pricey and it's also full of toxins and really bad fake fragrances. So, we stay away from any kind of fake or artificial scents because they're so bad for all of your systems, including your hormones. So I'm going to show you a really easy and inexpensive way to make it at home. So all you're going to need is 3 ingredients. You're going to need arrowroot powder, cornstarch, and whatever oil you want. So let's start with the arrowroot powder. This is a really inexpensive little natural powder that actually has a lot of good health benefits that you can get online. I buy it at our local Amish store just because it's so cheap. Like this whole thing only cost $1. So I'm gonna put it in my jar. I'm gonna do about half of it with arrowroot. And I'm making a little bit of a mess here. I'm not using my funnel, but that's okay. Okay, it's about half full of arrowroot powder. Let me add a little more. Okay, and then I'm gonna add it the rest of the way with cornstarch. So it's just 50% arrowroot, 50% cornstarch. And then you're also going to decide which essential oil that you want in it. Now you can do it without an oil, but it really helps your hair just to smell good and fresh. I don't have to wash my hair very often because I use good products and I use oils with my dry shampoo. My hair smells good and it doesn't look greasy. So I'm choosing Cheer. There'd be lots of good ones that you could choose from, like lavender or Console. I really like Serenity, really just whatever you like, even Peace. So you're going to take about just like 8 to 10 drops of it. It doesn't take much. So that's what it looks like. And just take something, I'm just using the other end of my spoon. And I just have one of these glass like Parmesan shaker bottles from the Dollar Tree. So this is such an inexpensive project. I've got arrowroot powder that the whole thing was only $1 from the Amish store. I've got cornstarch, which, a box of cornstarch is like $1. It's so cheap. And I've got a few drops of essential oil, which are pennies a drop when you get them from doTERRA, the best and most purest oils in the world. And I've got a $1 shaker that can be reused. Now, I made a little bit of a mess. That's no big deal. I'm going to have to clean off the table here when I'm done and wipe the outside of my bottle. But you literally just put it all in the shaker, mix it up, and you have a bottle of dry shampoo for like $2. And this is going to be completely safe, completely non-toxic. And what you do is you can just add it right to your roots. Just shake it right on like you would salt or Parmesan cheese right onto your roots and kind of just use your fingers to mix it in. You can use this for days at a time. And the oil, whatever you choose, don't use too much, but 8 to 10 drops. It's going to make your hair smell good and fresh. It's going to be also like a hair perfume. So this is a really good and really safe and really inexpensive way to make dry shampoo. I've used this for years and I've been a big fan of it. So don't buy the toxic stuff online full of poison that affects all of your body systems, specifically your hormones. Make it yourself in a really inexpensive way. There you go. Healthy dry shampoo.